Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete a post on your Tumblr application or Tumblr account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to delete a post on your Tumblr application. It's just going to show in this video. To delete a particular post on your Tumblr application, first have to open your Tumblr account. So I just need to delete this particular post about the screenshot of my Instagram. If you just click on this deleted option, you can't find any deleted option because it's actually shown on the bottom section of the post. You can find this option on the bottom. You can see the dustbin symbol. Click on this. Now it shows a pop-up call, so you definitely want to delete this post. If you just click on the never mind, it will be undo. If you just need to delete, click on delete option. That's it. So your post has been deleted. The same process can be repeated for all the posts to delete the post. So this is how you just delete the post on your Tumblr application on your Tumblr account. I think this video had do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful